everyone is talking about Grok, Sora, Clean AI, but no one wants to talk about this open source king that just arrived. Qwen 3.5 chatbots just arrived, and you know what? This AI can generate videos for you for free. So today, I will show you how to create cinematic videos using Qwen for free. So first of all, what you just need to do is to
go to your Chrome browser. You type in this word QW, and that's Q, and you can see it's very clearly here. You click on it and it will take you to their site. What you do here is that you sign up since you are a new user. Okay, so just follow up what they say you should put.
That this particular AI is not like your Grok that you just throw a word to it and it will generate a video with it. For example, if you go to Grok, you can say a dog and it will actually generate a video of a dog. No, but this particular AI, it needs you to describe what you want to generate in detail. For example, you can actually go in there before you create something. You should just start
video generation. Okay. So now let's try to describe our video and see how it's gonna be. Remember, you can
put into consideration is your aspect ratio. Do you want it to be a 9.16, which is for short, or a 16.9 aspect ratio? You can make it to be a YouTube aspect ratio standard. I have been able to detailedly describe what I want in the video. Number one description that I gave it was a red car. You understand? So let's see how it generates our video.
Okay, I think this is it. Okay, now for instance, if you have generated your video and the prompt, you now discover that maybe this one is actually the red card that I described, and maybe you want to make a change in your prompt. For example, you can actually click on this particular thing.
So after you click on generate, you just have to give it few seconds for it to generate your videos for you. So that is number one method of using Qwen. Another method I'm gonna show you is when you are able to generate your scene prompts. Yeah, let's say Nkechi and her husband is in the church. Now you have already generated a picture, an image of Nkechi and her husband in a church. Like that is what we call a scene is already generated. Okay, so when you example, this is how we do it. Okay,
plus here, make sure you click on create video. Okay, make sure it's on create video, describe the video. When it's like this, you say describe the video you want to generate, then you come on plus here. Now make sure that this place is on create video. Now you remember I said you will bring the images. To click on this place in library, you go to your gallery. You must have generated a scene or you want to animate images. Okay, for it, so let's just say this one. Okay, choose. So you allow the images to load. Okay, so remember I said you must have generated your script in ChatGPT and generated your images. Okay, you can see when I say I slow 360 degrees circular tracking shots of it around Leo and Maya for the video to process. So now
after you click on generate, you just have to give it few seconds for it to generate your videos for you. Another way you can actually use Qwen is that it can actually read your entire video. For instance, if you upload a video to Qwen, okay, you upload it, give it like few seconds, it will actually generate the captions of that video. It can actually give you a good title to that video. So it is a very powerful app that every content creator should have. Let me know if Qwen is better than Grok. Yes. So now that you've watched me to this end of this video, I believe it's time for you to click on the subscribe button. You subscribe to my channel and like, comment. Let me know your thoughts in this video.